Step forward with your right, bring your gravity center down while grabbing the hilt. Turn the hilt 180 degrees so that the cutting edge faces downwards. Draw the sword to a diagonal upward cut and bring your body weight into the cut. Let your sword swing above your left shoulder. Step back with the right and prepare for a diagonal downward cut. Now turn the blade at the cutting edge face down and step forward into a diagonal upward cut. Now bring your whole body weight onto your left leg. Slide out of the attacking line to your right. Cut horizontal and come to a kneeling position. And again. Step forward, bring your gravity center down while grabbing the hilt. Turn the cutting edge downwards. Stretch to bring your body weight into this diagonal upward cut. Swing the sword over your left shoulder and step back into this diagonal downward cut. Turn your blade cutting edge down and step into the diagonal upward cut. Bring your body weight onto your left leg. Slide out of attacking line to the left. Cut horizontal to a kneeling position. Sequence 1 consists of 4 strikes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your first strike, deflect the attacking sword, deflect the second attack, while your third strike, push the attacking sword out of the line to create the opening for the horizontal cut through the intestines. While practicing sequence 1 and reaching the state that your strikes, your body movement and footwork is perfect, then focus on the shadow opponent, the way of his attacking sword, your deflections and your final cut through his stomach. Take your time to practice this sequence well until you go to the next lecture.